Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are doing my first ever Halloween tutorial. I'm doing a kind of sexy vampire look. I was inspired by this one girl. She posted that, or rather Inglot posted her makeup on the internet, on Instagram, and I was like, oh, I need to recreate that, at least in, you know, in a percentage. I need to recreate that, and so I did. This is more kind of a beginner friendly tutorial because I'm new to Halloween tutorials as well. So yeah, this is what I came up with, and I hope you like it. If you do, then just keep on watching. I'm taking the tracer shade from the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette and I'm placing that in my transition area. Then I'm taking the He Devil shade from the same palette and I'm placing that into my crease. I'm taking the first brush and I'm just blending out the edges. Going into the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette, I'm taking the amber shade and I'm placing that on top of the He Devil shade. Taking the first brush again and I'm blending out the edges. Taking the saffron shade and I'm placing this pink into my crease on top of that He Devil and amber shade. Taking my first brush and again blending out the edges. I think here I'm intensifying that saffron shade again, and I'm taking my first brush and blending it out again. Taking the oud shade and I'm placing that on the outer corner of my eye and bringing it into the crease a little bit. Taking this blending brush and I'm blending out the edges with no additional product on it. And taking the first brush again and we're blending out. Taking the saffron shade and I'm putting that pink back into my crease. Going into the Kylie palette and taking this black, and I will be placing that on the very outer corner of my eye. And I'm blending out the edges. Going into the saffron shade again, bringing back the colour one more time. Going into the chaser shade from the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette and I am just putting that into the transition area again. Taking my Colourpop No Filter Concealer and I'm using this to cut my crease. I am taking my Maybelline powder and I am setting this concealer. Going into the Runway Glamour palette, I'm taking this white on my finger and I'm placing that on the concealer. I'm also taking a sponge tip applicator, putting into the white, and I'm precisely now applying this shade on my lid. Going back into the oud shade and I will be using this to blend out the white with the outer corner. And I'm using my finger to blend it out even further. Going into the black and I am intensifying the black on the outer corner one more time. And blending out the edges, of course. Now, time for the other eye. For my lower lash line, I'm taking the chaser shade and I'm placing that. Going into the He Devil shade, again, putting that all across my lower lash line. Same with the oud shade, placing that all across my lower lash line. And going into the Kylie palette, taking the black and doing the same thing again. I'm sorry you can't see. I'm taking this Essence Gel Liner and I'm putting that on my waterline and my tight line. And I'm blending out the edges. I'm taking my Essence Super Precise Eyeliner and I'm doing a wing. Now it's time to draw the veins. I'm taking my Kylie palette, the black shadow, and I am literally just going in and imitating veins that go from my eyes like vampires have. So yeah, pretty simple. Then I'm taking the Essence lipstick, and I'm doing exactly the same but a little bit more precisely, and I'm drawing that on top of the black eyeshadow. I'm using the SOSU Katie lashes. I'm putting them on. And I didn't show you here, I'm using the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit liquid lipstick, and I'm just intensifying those veins. Taking my beauty sponge and just blending this out a little bit. Then I'm taking my Catrice Prime and Fine contouring palette, and I'm contouring the heck out of my face. I am taking the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I am bronzing my face, of course. Then I'm taking my Sleek Solstice palette, and I'm highlighting my face, but very strategically, so it doesn't interfere with the veins that go from my eyes. I'm also using this to highlight my inner corner and underneath my brow. To finish off, MAC Fix. No, that's not it yet. I'm taking the Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner. That's what it is, and I am lining my lips, overlining my lips. I am filling out the edges and also bringing that lip liner into the middle of my lip to create this ombre effect. Then I'm taking this Essence matte lipstick, and I'm placing that on top of the lip liner. Taking the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit liquid lipstick, and I'm putting that in the middle. To finish things off, finally, I'm taking the MAC Fix Plus, and I'm spraying my face. Whew. So that is it, you guys. That took me literally 2 hours to do. I know, crazy, but anyway, I'm loving the outcome. It's kind of like a subtle Halloween makeup, but you know, it still gives that impact. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. There will be another Halloween tutorial coming. I think I'm going to do a skull next time, but I'll have to think about that. But anyway, thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!